Alright folks, I'm out here today with a 2004 Chevy W4500. This is the Cabover with the forward tilt master body. As you see, it has the box on the back. Has the 4.8 liter turbo. This is a diesel automatic transmission. We have 185,218 miles. Look at the interiors there mostly. Got a few holes in the seats, but not too bad. Do not have an exact measurement on that cab yet. Box, I mean. Pretty decent looking unit there. Side steps. There's your forward tilt. I did say that the turbo makes a bit of noise on this. Assuming other than the typical noise. Got a DC spring box on there. Box looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Ramps work, fold down, they have the spring assist in there. There is no roll door. The roll door has been taken out. So I assume they just kind of load and go. Got a little shelf up here for, you know, your gas cans, backpack, blowers, whatever. Looks like you got some cargo hooks as well. A couple of those on the wall. This is a dually as well, if I didn't mention that already. They said that turbo makes a little noise, but it drove 70 mile an hour on the highway on the way here and have no issues with it, so frame doesn't look too bad. A little bit of rust, but nothing too bad. Pretty decent looking truck overall. Good rubber. Tires are all still good. Does have a cracked windshield here, as you can see. A little bit of a crack there. Alrighty folks, there she is. Y'all have a great day. After looking a little further, we have discovered that these tires are wearing pretty funny. As you can see, the inside's pretty well bald. Almost showing some cords in some spots, not in others. So there's definitely a wear alignment, possibly camber issue on this front end. Maybe in need of some new parts, new pieces parts.